the high action category trope as the overpowered main character. They are piercingly loud and powerful. Fans adore them and the way they fight while suffering. Hello everyone, in this video, I'll be discussing a list of top 10 anime with overpowered main character from the start. Before we start, be sure you subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notifications of new videos. Number 10. Mushishi. Mushishi represents the most fundamental kinds of life on the planet. These lives exist for no apparent reason. They are simply present. They exist in a gray region outside the confines of categorization, such as good or bad. Mushishi can exist in a variety of sizes and shapes, and can resemble beings from other realms, such as our own, plants, illnesses, and even natural occurrences such as a rainbow. Nevertheless, this is a very broad definition of the word mushi, additional information, which is very hard to discover, and no one is aware of that fact. A hero, Ginkgo, is always pondering their presence. He is on the lookout for any rumors that could lead him to the existence of Mushishi. He could come upon something quite different. Watch the anime to find out. Number 9. Bafuri. I don't want to get hurt, so I'll max out my defense. Kaide Honjo reluctantly agrees to try a new world online. A highly popular VR MMO played by large numbers of people throughout Japan. After a lot of whining from her friend, she calls her avatar in the video game, Maple, and starts her quest. She is a true newbie for this genre. She assigns all of her points to vitality in no other classes. As a result, all her other stats become 0. Maple has excellent defense, but she can't hit hard or move quickly. Maple, on the other hand, benefits from her great protection by gaining a slew of powerful abilities, like complete defense, toxin absorption, and voraciousness. These abilities, combined with a slew of new equipment she obtains in the game, enable her to eliminate foes in a single hit only. After a few sessions of gameplay, earning her the notoriety of being both invincible and excessively formidable. Number 8. Codebreaker. Ryugami as the hero, or perhaps you could call him the anti-hero in Codebreaker, but he's the main character alongside the tsundere, Sakura Koji. He is the local bad boy archetype in anime. He does what makes him happy, and doesn't give any thought to the repercussions of his actions, until they come up to nip him. He has a strong desire for justice. He will go to whatever length to see it through, repeating many hundred times during the series that an eye for an eye, a tooth for a tooth, and evil for evil. He symbolizes a darker aspect of righteousness, like characters on a vengeful spree, as opposed to a true hero who protects good people, while stabbing evil folks and leaving them to die. Number 7. Darker Than Black. Hey, from the Darker Than Black is the definition of domineering. He's so strong that he's called the Black Reaper. He is a man of few words, and even fewer elaborations on his personality. He just discloses his job as a contractor. Only until he is assigned a fitting task, we see his actual power emerge in the entire series. He is simply the sort of person that'll kick any evil person's ass, and he does it with style. It's a joy to see him learn the art of being a domineering bully of all matters. Number 6. Myriad Colors Phantom. Haruhiko Ichigo, the main protagonist of Myriad Colors Phantom, has phantom hunting abilities and is only a first-year student. Haruhiko has a rare ability that makes him very overpowered. His abilities are on a whole other level since he is such a smart individual. who understands all there is to know about the Phantom. His powers are art-based, as Haruhiko is flawless in the drawing. His capabilities enable him to see and capture phantoms by just literally drawing them in his magic book. He can replicate anyone's movements, and can read their minds and memories, which he keeps secret. It's impossible to take such a powerful persona for granted. Number 5. Ultramarine Magmel. The story starts when suddenly, a new continent appears on the globe. The continent is named Miguel. The area is full of secrets and supplies. Enyo, our main character, is incredibly powerful and adept at fighting with superpowers. If you love watching a fighting anime, where the main character is brutally overpowered, Ultramarine Magmel is for you. Enyo has shown to have a rare ability called Lacto, which allows him to build anything, as long as he is aware of their building blocks. Number 4. Hellsing. We are all aware of vampires' longevity. They do, however, have a weakness that eventually leads them to vanish. This is not the case with Alucard, our Hellsing main character. Even if he is decapitated, he can recover quickly. He is without a doubt among the strongest characters in the universe of anime. His strength stems from all the people he's consumed over 1,000,000 years, making him omnipotent. He may even make them his captives and use them to combat his enemies. The actual Pope or the all-powerful monarch, he doesn't care who you are. Alucard is that dreadful monster that lurks in the shadows at all times, waiting to tear your leg off. Number 3. Chrome Shell Regios. In Chrome Shell Regios, a post-apocalyptic future is shown. Humans are shown to live in mobile cities called Regios, which protect them from what lurks outside. As in most futuristic dystopian settings, robots have turned on their creators. Evolved nanomachine beasts called filth monsters, or conterminous, roam outside Regios. He is a repository of power for martial artists, and its practitioners can channel this force in various ways. Leffen Alsef wants to get away from it all, but unknown to him, he can harness the power of Ki like no other. This does not escape the notice of Calum Loss, the student council president, and Nina Antok, a military arts student and captain of the 17th Platoon, who immediately recognizes his capability and decides he's the ideal candidate to join her group. Number 2. BlazBlue, Alter Memory. Alter Memory, based on the video games BlazBlue Calamity Trigger and BlazBlue Continuum, shifts the narrative focus around Ragnar, the blood edge of the Azure Grimoire bearer, the most powerful grimoire ever to exist. Still, also Aramasa is a massive blade that can assume the shape of the sky. A heterochromia protagonist is shown to be an SS-class rebel with a historic bounty on his head, with the background set in 2199. The show is set in the hierarchical city of Kagatsuchi, where a secret organization known as the Librarian controls Arx Magus. Arx Magus is a form of control that is accessible via grimoires identical to Ragnar's Azure Grimoire to acquire the prize. Number 1. Dragon Ball Z. Is it necessary to introduce this guy? This man has incredible power. He is widely considered to be the greatest martial artist of all time. We watched Goku practice like there was no tomorrow, and his hard work paid off as he destroyed nearly all of his opponents. He even wreaks havoc on the gods. In the Dragon Ball Z series, Goku is always the one who rescues the men's butts. He's usually compared to Superman, and it'd be a fantastic battle if we got to witness something like that. a crossover between strongest in DC and strongest in Dragon Ball world. Overall, Goku is a powerful figure that is both amazing and terrifying in the anime universe. When a new superpowered character appears on the horizon, the concern is always whether they can defeat Goku. And the answer always turns out no. That's it for the most overpowered anime characters from the start. Who's your favorite overpowered anime main character? Let us know in the comments down below. If you like this video, then do share with your friends.